Let's take a look at the Charter School of Morgan Hill. If your child learns best by doing, the Charter School's project-based model plus epic field experiences might be your sweet spot. My name is Caroline Hobbs with the Rise Group, and today we're going to talk about how the Charter School of Morgan Hill blends core academics with real-world projects, enrichment, and a transparent lottery process. Now, first, let's take a look at how the learning happens. Teachers deliver language arts, math, science, and social studies through projects that culminate in public showcases. Students integrate technology, presentation skills, and reflection, building confidence as communicators. For the enrichments, art, music, drama, and nutrition, agricultural science, foreign language, PE, and tech round out the week. Outdoor learning and service projects connect students to the South County community. A dedicated foundation funds California field trips, from state capitol overnights to science camps and museum days, so access doesn't depend on a family's ability to pay. That's a big deal for equity and experience. The Charter School of Morgan Hill is tuition-free and uses a public lottery each spring. Sibling and other priorities may apply. Verify the dates and documentation, and also how the wait lists move. Some of the questions you might have are: how many projects per grade per year? What is the volunteer expectation for families? How are reading and math intervention delivered inside a public school? If you want the answers to these questions, comment CSMH and I'll send you the lottery calendar, essay tips if required, and project night prep checklist. My name is Caroline Hobbs, and as a well-known local realtor, I'm your guide to everything real estate and community.